In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Einstein in Salesforce in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your credentials as you normally would and hit the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Salesforce homepage. Now, this is where we start setting up Salesforce Einstein. So keep focused and don't worry if this is your first time, as it's a straightforward process. Next, move your cursor toward the upper right section of the homepage and click on the settings icon. This will take you to the settings menu. From there, you need to open the advanced setup. Don't let the name intimidate you. It's simply a more detailed setup menu where you can find all the detailed configuration options available to you. Now that you're in the advanced setup, take a look at the left-hand sidebar, locate the quick find box, and type in Einstein setup. This quick find box is a handy tool we use all the time in Salesforce, especially when we're looking to enable specific features without scrolling through multiple menus. As you start typing, you'll see suggestions pop up automatically, and you can click Einstein setup as soon as it appears. Once you select Einstein setup, you'll be directed to the Einstein configuration screen. Here, you'll see various options related to Salesforce's AI capabilities. Your next task is to select the option labeled Einstein Generative AI. This selection brings us closer to unleashing the AI power within your Salesforce environment. With Einstein Generative AI, you'll be able to improve your organization's decision-making process by providing smart insights and analytics. Finally, to enable the Einstein features, you'll notice a toggle switch or button next to the option that says Turn on Einstein features. Simply click this toggle. It's effectively flipping the switch to power up all the AI enhancements that Einstein brings to Salesforce. And just like that, you've enabled Einstein. With Einstein now set up and running, your Salesforce environment is ready to become more intuitive and efficient with the enhanced analytics and insights the AI provides. Whether you're looking to optimize business processes or just want a deeper dive into your data, Einstein is designed to help you succeed. Congratulations on successfully setting up Einstein in Salesforce in just under 5 minutes. Keep exploring the platform to discover all the innovative features it has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video where we explore more ways to leverage Salesforce to its fullest potential. Have a great day.